Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on factorising quadratic expressions, part 2. It's the second in a series of lessons on quadratic expressions. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here, otherwise you can subscribe at the end. Following on from an earlier video, we will continue looking at how to factorise quadratic trinomials. These examples will be more challenging. Now, the only reason I say they will be more challenging is that you have a 2 here in front of the x squared. Here is a 3 in front of the x squared. And there is a 6 in front of the x squared. If you remember in the earlier video, all those numbers were 1. So it could make the process just a little bit longer. But the principles are the same. Let's see how we go. We need two terms multiplied together to give us 2x squared. That's 2x and x. Here's the cross we need for the crisscross method. We need two numbers multiplied together to give us plus 15. Let's try 5 and 3. Of course, 5 3s are 15. 3 times 2x is 6x. 5 times x is 5x. 6x plus 5x is 11x. That does not give you 13x. That's why we cross those numbers off. Let's swap the numbers around to have plus 3 and plus 5 here. Now the reason we have to do that is, remember, that's 2x and x. So it's different when we swap those around. It's not like last time. If we used 5 and 3, and if we swapped them around, well, it would be no good. It wouldn't be any use. This time we have to try that because we have 2x and x. That's why it's a little bit more challenging. 5 3s are 15. Okay, now let's see if we can generate 13x. 5 times 2x is 10x. 3 times x is 3x. 10x plus 3x is 13x. So those two numbers are the ones we want. So here is the answer. 2x plus 3 times x plus 5. And there it is there. So that's how we factor this quadratic trinomial. Let's look at this one. Two terms multiplied together to give you 3x squared are 3x and x. Let's try minus 5 times plus 4, because minus 5 times plus 4 is minus 20. You remember from a much earlier video, minus times a plus gives you a minus. Now, 4 times 3x is 12x. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x. 12x minus 5x is 7x. So we have not generated the middle term. So we cross those off. Let's try minus 4 and plus 5. Because minus 4 times plus 5 is minus 20. 5 times 3x is 15x. Minus 4 times x is minus 4x. 15x minus 4x is 11x. So look, we've generated the middle term. So here's the answer. 3x minus 4 times x plus 5. And there it is there. Third example. If you multiply 3x and 2x together, that will give you 6x squared. But you might ask, well, why didn't I write 6x and 1x? Well, we have to try these two first. And if they don't work, then we will come back and try 6x and 1x. See, that's why these are a little bit more challenging. It just gives you a few more options when you have the number at the front. Now, two numbers multiplied together to give you plus 35 is minus 7 and minus 5, because minus 7 times minus 5 is plus 35. You remember from the earlier video, minus by minus gives you plus. Minus 14x, because minus 7 times 2x is minus 14x. Minus 5 times 3x is minus 15x. Minus 15x minus 14x is minus 29x. We have not generated that number, or that term, so we cross those off. Let's try minus 5 and minus 7. Minus 21x minus 10x gives us minus 31x. So it works. We've generated the middle term. So here's the answer. 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 7, and there it is there. Here's a quick quiz to help you with your understanding. Please check through the video at any time. What is the meaning of the following? This is the answer to the puzzle. Undercover police. It's a cute one, isn't it? Here are the answers to the quiz, and check through the video at any time to help you, please. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe on the next slide and you will receive a notification as to when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.